Welcome back to Pratik Academy. In previous video, we have started introduction of quadratic equation. We have seen what is meant by quadratic equation, how to write quadratic equation in standard form, how to find out coefficients, that is a, b and c, and what is meant by solution of quadratic equation. Based upon that, we will discuss some selective problems from practice set 2.1. If you have any doubt regarding other problems or the problems which are discussed here, you can contact to us on our number or mention your problem in comments below. Okay, so let's start. So we will start with question number 2, that is, which of the following are quadratic equations? So I will take first simple example 1, x square plus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. So what is the definition of quadratic equation? We require one variable and degree 2. So check, variable is x, degree is 2, therefore it is quadratic equation. Simple one. Then another example here is y square plus 1 upon y is equal to 2. So first simplify this, y square upon 1 plus 1 upon y is equal to 2 upon 1. So here denominators are different, so we have to take cross multiply here, 1 into 1 upon 1 into y is equal to 2 and 1. Y square into y, so it is y cube plus 2 plus y, 2 upon 1, cross multiply here, y cube plus 2 is equal to 2y. Then if you take look here, variable is 1, variable is y, degree is 3. So this is not our quadratic equation. In this way, let's take another one example. If we take last one, m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 3m cube. Okay, here again this is m cube, this is 3m cube. So m cube, take similar terms together, minus 3m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 0. So m cube minus 3m cube, so that will be minus 2m cube plus 3m square minus 2 equal to 0. So variable is variable is m, but degree, highest degree is 3. So this is not our quadratic equation. Before deciding quadratic equation, make simplifications. Here initially it is looking that degree of y, highest degree is 2, but when we simplify this equation, we found that degree of power of y is 3 here, or degree is 3. So first simplify this equation as much as possible and then decide whether it is quadratic or not. Okay, next we will go for problem number 3. So this is related to write equations in form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, that is in standard form, and find values of a, b, c. So I will take first equation. 2y is equal to 10 minus y square. So this is quadratic equation because it consists only one variable y and highest power is 2. But our standard or required form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So I will add this term minus y square. I will take on left hand side, it becomes plus y square, then plus 2y as it is, plus 10 become minus 10 is equal to 0, and this is the standard form. Now next part is to find out a, b, c. So if we compare this equation with standard form, we get here a as 1, b as 2, c as minus 10. Okay, we'll take another one example. Let's take this p into 3 plus 6p equals to minus p. So initially if you look here, then degree of power of p is 1. So one can say that it is not a quadratic equation. But as told to you earlier, simplify this equation and then decide. So p into 3, 3p plus p into 6p, 6p square is equal to minus 5. So here we get power of degree of p as 2. So this is quadratic equation, but this equation is not in standard format. Then how to arrange? We require first quadratic term 6p square, then linear term 3p and plus constant equal to 0. So this is standard form, standard or general form. And now we have to find out a, b, c. So compare this equation. By simply comparing, we get that a is equal to 6, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 5. Okay, so again let's take another one example. Third one, x square plus 5x is equal to minus into bracket 3 minus x. So first simplify x square plus 5x minus 3 minus into minus plus x. Then take all these terms to LHS. X square plus 5x plus x becomes minus x, minus 3 becomes plus 3 equals to 0. Then x square 5 minus 4, sorry 5 minus 1, 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then this is quadratic equation. This equation is already in standard format. Then check coefficients. Your coefficient of x is 1, a is 1. For b, coefficient is minus 4, and c it is 3. Okay, so okay, next or fourth question is determine whether the values given against each of the quadratic equation are roots of the equation. So in this problem, equations are given 4x minus 5 is equal to 0 and some values are given, x is equal to 1, minus 1, and they asked that check whether these values, that means x is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 1, are solution of this equation or not. So first tell me what is meant by solution. So as we have discussed in earlier video, solution means the value of variable for which LHS becomes RHS. So for that purpose, initially take x is equal to 1 as value and put in LHS. So for x is equal to 1, LHS will be 1 square 4 into 1 minus 5, that is 1 plus 4 minus 5, 1 plus 4 5 minus 5 0. So this will be equals to RHS. So for x is equal to 1, LHS is equal to RHS. So x is equal to 1 is solution of given quadratic equation. Now same check what will happen for x is equal to minus 1. I will check here. For x is equal to minus 1, LHS will be minus 1 square plus 4 into minus 1 minus 5, minus 1 square 1, 4 into minus 1 minus 4 minus 5, 1 minus 4 minus 3 minus 5 minus 8. This is not equal to RHS. So LHS is not equal to RHS. X is equal to minus 1 is not solution of given quadratic equation. Similarly, for you can check for second. So this is problem number 4. Now we will discuss problem number 5. So what is the problem? Find k if x is equal to 3 is the root of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. What is the value of x is equal to 3 is solution given. We know that for the value of variable for which LHS becomes RHS is called a solution. That means here if we keep x is equal to 3 in this equation, LHS it become equals to 0. So as x is equal to 3 its solution, therefore LHS is equals to k into 3 square minus 10 into 3 plus 3 is equal to 0 or is equal to RHS. Therefore k into 3 square 9 30 plus 3. What is the value of RHS? 0. So 9k minus 30 plus 3 minus 27. 9k is equal to 27. K is equal to 27 divided by 9, 3. So k is equal to 3 is the value or required value. So in this way we have discussed some selective numericals from practice set 2.1. If you have any doubt in other problems, then you can contact us on our number provided or mention your queries in comments. Thank you for watching this video.